So I pretty much got ambushed by the lady at the mall who curled my hair and tried to sell me a $350 straightening iron, except for I really want it because my hair is curly for once. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm still doing this beginning because I don't know what to do. Today, guys, I am going to be talking about two microblading type eyebrow products. These are big now on the market because everybody wants those microbladed brows. And a lot of people, including me, are kind of scared about doing it because A, maybe it hurts, B, maybe it turns out weird, C, I'm just overall nervous. I don't know. It is kind of a scary thing. So companies have finally got smart and made these types of products because there is a market for it. I don't usually do my brows, but lately I have been really wanting to because of these things right here. I actually have two different brands basically promising the same results, and I'm going to show you guys the shade comparison, how it works, how they are different, and all of that stuff because I have the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Tint Pen. Ooh! That's this one right here, and the lightest one that I could, well, the one that I feel like would match better for my brows because they are a little bit darker was soft brown, but then I bought it and I was like, oh wait, it is a little bit weird. It's on the redder side, which is very odd. They didn't have a taupe, so I was kind of upset. But the other one does have a taupe, and this is the Salon Perfect On Point Tri-Tip Brow Marker. Why are these things such long names? I don't understand. This is universal taupe. Basically the same idea, has the tri-tip thing for getting that microbladed effect. I've watched videos and some people have said this one is better than the Maybelline one. This one is $5 and this one is $8. Or something like that. I'll put the exact prices down below. There is a price difference. I am going to try them out for you guys because I have just tried it on my hand, so I don't know how it'll work on my brows or anything like that, but I'm pretty sure from on my hand, this one's more of a redder tone. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we're going to try these out. As you can see, I do have some pretty sparse areas in my brows. It's a struggle, but I'm trying to grow them, so obviously they're not the best groomed thing right now, but I'm really liking the fuller brow. I thought maybe having a microblading pen thing would be helpful for doing my brows. So I'm gonna show you the Maybelline one close up so you guys can see the marker tip. It's got 4 tips, so this one is 4. Salon Perfect has 3. Right there. The Maybelline one might be a little bit more slanted. Yeah, if you look closely, the Maybelline one is more slanted. This one is a little more straight. I think it has like a tiny bit of a slant, but it's overall pretty straight. I'm going to show you guys in my brows the Maybelline Tattoo Studio first, and bear with me because I'm not very good at doing my brows. Oh, by the way, I kept the packaging. This is, whoa! This is the packaging, this is the Maybelline one, and this is the Salon Perfect one. They basically have the same claims. Prong applicator that mimics natural brow hairs and all that stuff. The package says brush brow hairs upward with spoolie and apply short strokes following the natural shape of your brow. Okay, I'm not a very good brow putter oner. Oh my gosh, I don't know. So it says upward. We're gonna attempt this. So I don't even know what way you would hold it. It's confusing. So I think you have to hold it like that and pull up, maybe. It's kind of tricky. That one worked pretty well. You can kind of see the natural brow hair like strokes. Okay, pretty cool, pretty cool. I went a little bit too far down. I'm gonna be cleaning it up afterwards. I'm finding like it's getting too much pigment right here, and then it's just not looking natural at all. That's absolutely horrendous. As you can see, it does not match the color of my brow whatsoever. So I'm gonna take some concealer and clean this puppy up. It seems like it comes out a little watery. That's somewhat interesting. I don't think it matches my brow very well. The Salon Perfect one we're going to try. And this is actually my brow that I like the best because it's pretty filled in everywhere. It's pretty good, but we'll see. We're gonna try, I think a lot of the problem is getting the right angle and then doing it. Since this one's pretty straight, I think it's pretty easy, but oh, that's working so much better. I feel like this one matches it better. It's like a lot more natural. For some reason, it's just drawing on a lot better. I don't know if that's just because of the pen or what. This is the one that has the tri-tip, and for some reason, it works a little bit better, in my opinion. I think this takes some practice, but it's pretty cool. After you do that, you brush it. That is pretty awesome. So compared to this side, I don't know, I like this side better. It's definitely drawing on better and easier to control. You only need like the lightest touch, so you really don't want to push it in there and pull it up. It's a very light, feathery strokes that you need to do, but that is so cool. If you try to do it sideways, I wonder what happens. It got a little bit out of hand on the outer corner. But I really feel like the Salon Perfect worked better. It feels like you can control it. The color matches better. Since it's universal taupe in shade, I feel like it should match for many different people. And people that are blonde, this matches really well. This one's kind of a fail. I don't really know why I bought it, but I did. Let's clean up this side. I let this dry because it needs to dry before you do anything else to it. Yeah, that works really nicely. I got a little bit crazy towards the tail, but can clean that up a little bit. That is a really nice brow. Look at the difference. It feels like this didn't really do anything. This is definitely more pigmented, but at the same time, it can be pretty natural. I definitely have to get the hang of it. I think it'll make doing my eyebrows so much easier. If you're like me and you do not know how to do eyebrows, this is a really good thing. This is the difference between the two. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel like this one has more of a reddish tone. I really do. The taupe, it just like blends in with my brow hairs. It's insane. All right, so I had to take off that other Maybelline brow thing because it was not looking good. This is how my brows look with the Salon Perfect Tri-Tip Brow Marker. Nailed it, that's what it's called. And Universal Taupe. You guys have hair that is similar to mine, this color will work really well for you. Doing my brows, I kid you not, is like something I dread. I absolutely hate it. Sometimes I just skip it altogether because it's so hard to get your brows looking nice. When I found out that they had something like this, I was so on board. I hope that this helps you guys if you're somebody that hates doing their brows. Once you get the hang of it, it's really easy and fast. Like, I don't know how the heck my brows look this good, but this thing is amazing. So you don't need 4 tips to get this effect. This has only 3, so it's really, really nice. This also has better staying power. I actually have proved that on my own. When I put it on my hand, I swatched it on my hand because I was just too excited. I left it on all day. I washed my hands and everything throughout the day. It was still there. It was insane. So this thing is like a tattoo. it will stay on your eyebrows. This one in soft brown is definitely too dark and too red of a tone for somebody with my eyebrow color and my hair color. I feel the taupe is a lot better. If you're wondering which one to get the Salon Perfect. Salon Perfect you can get at Walmart. It's like $4.88. I think that's the weird, you know, Walmart pricing, but it's super cheap and so nice. I am gonna be doing my brows every day now because this is such a cool product. You are wondering what you can do instead of microblading. This is such a great effect and it does last all day. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you are brow beginners like I am, I mean, I have been doing makeup a long time, but brows are something I really struggle with. You struggle with brows as I do. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you go out and go try this product. Don't waste your money on the Maybelline. It's like $8 or $9 and it's not worth it. If you guys did enjoy this video, can you help me out and please give me a thumbs up because that really helps me out on my channel. If you guys haven't yet already subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified when I upload, and trust me, I will be putting videos out every week, I promise. Make sure you leave me a comment too if you have tried any of these brow products, if you know any other microblading brow product type things, let me know down in the comments. I would love to try them out. If you have any suggestions for any videos you want me to do, leave them down below as well. I love talking to you guys and I feel like we're a big Lustrous Beauty community. So thank you guys so much for watching and remember to stay lustrous. Bye!